Nearly 70 years ago, Truett Cathy founded a business in College Park, Georgia, that would soon become the wildly popular Chick-fil-A fast food restaurant. It has also been a wildly controversial restaurant, and that is in large part because of Truett and his family's position on religious doctrine. They are Christians, Southern Baptists in particular, and they hold true to their traditions, sometimes in statements in public and in social media, which causes backlash from various communities. Social protests have taken place in existing and new restaurants all over the United States and in the UK. In some cases, it was so severe that the Chick-fil-A restaurants had to close. Leadership at Chick-fil-A made it clear their position against same-sex marriage. As a result, there was a nationwide Kiss-In Day at Chick-fil-A, where protesters would go in front of Chick-fil-A and share a kiss and post it on social media. At their corporate office just south of Atlanta, Chick-fil-A provides a tour where you can learn more about the company's history, their religious beliefs, and core values of the company. I attended that tour some years ago with friends. It was very interesting. I took with it some of that information and have discussed it with college students, colleagues, and friends in a variety of settings. I think it's very interesting the number of people who philosophically disagree with some of the values of the leadership of Chick-fil-A. However, they are willing to put those principles aside because they just think it is a tasty chicken sandwich. I don't know. Are you willing to compromise your principles over good fast food?